Hello kids! Welcome to our English lesson. Let's look at Unit 8 Amazing Animals Story Time. You may refer to page 88 to 90 in your English Plus 4 textbook. Let's go! The objectives of our lesson today are you should be able to circle true or false questions correctly based on the text. Anda perlu bulatkan sama ada benar atau salah berdasarkan teks. Number 2, fill in the blanks based on the adjectives from the text. Isikan tempat kosong berdasarkan kata-kata adjektif daripada teks. Story time, Tiny and Leo. Who are Tiny and Leo? Listen and read. There once was a cute little mouse. Pada suatu hari, terdapat seekor tikus yang sangat comel. His name was Tiny. Nama dia ialah Tiny. He was smaller than his other mouse friends, but more intelligent. Tiny adalah lebih kecil daripada kawan-kawan tikus dia yang lain, tetapi lebih pandai dan bijak. Tiny was in the forest one day, looking for food, when he saw a mango. Tiny berada di kawasan hutan pada suatu hari untuk mencari makanan dan tiba-tiba dia ternampak sebuah mangga. He tried to carry the mango, but it was too heavy. Okay, so Tiny telah cuba untuk mengangkat buah mangga itu, tetapi buah mangga itu adalah sangat berat. Tiny tried and tried, but nothing happened. Tiny telah cuba dan cuba, tetapi tidak ada apa-apa yang berlaku. A hungry and very dangerous snake sitting in the mango tree saw the mouse and said, ada seekor ular yang sangat lapar dan sangat berbahaya yang berada pada pokok mangga itu ternampak Tiny dan berkata, I can help you carry the mango, little mouse. Saya boleh tolong kamu untuk mengangkat, untuk membawa buah mangga itu. I can carry it in my mouth. Saya boleh membawanya di dalam mulut saya. Tiny knew that the snake wanted to eat him. Tiny tahu bahawa ular ini hendak makan dia. He was very scared. Tiny berasa sangat takut. Leo, the lion, heard the snake talking to the mouse. Leo, sang singa, telah mendengar ular itu bercakap dengan tikus itu. That snake is going to eat the little mouse. Ular itu akan makan tikus itu. I'm going to save it, thought the lion. Saya akan menyelamatkan tikus itu, kata sang singa. The snake opened its mouth to eat Tiny. Ular itu telah membuka mulutnya untuk makan Tiny. Leo was behind the snake now. Leo berada di belakang ular tersebut. Don't touch the little mouse, Leo said. Jangan sentuh tikus itu, kata Leo. He picked up the snake and threw it far away. Leo telah mengangkat ular itu dan telah membuangnya sangat-sangat jauh daripada situ. Tiny was very scared. Tiny berasa sangat takut. He hid behind the mango. Tiny telah sembunyikan diri di belakang buah mangga itu. Leo picked up the mango and Tiny with his big claws and opened his mouth. Leo telah mengangkat buah mangga itu dan Tiny dengan kuku dia yang sangat tajam, yang besar dan telah membuka mulut dia yang sangat besar. Okay, so now exercise 1, we are going to circle true or false, sama ada benar atau salah. Okay, mari kita lihat nombor 1. There was once a cute little cat named Tiny. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah daripada teks, there was once a cute little mouse, bukan cat. So the answer is false. Salah ya. Number 2, Tiny was smaller than his friends, but more intelligent. So he was smaller than his other mouse friends, but more intelligent. So this is true, betul. Number 3, Tiny was in the cave one day looking for food. Tiny berada di dalam gua mencari makanan. Okay, so Tiny was in the forest one day looking for food. Tiny berada di dalam hutan. So jawapannya ialah false, salah. Number 4, Tiny saw a mangosteen. Tiny ternampak sebiji buah manggis. Okay, so from the text is, he saw a mango. Tiny ternampak sebiji buah mangga. So this is also false, salah. Number 5, the mango was too heavy. Buah mangga itu adalah terlalu berat. Okay, so answer is, he tried to carry the mango but it was too heavy. Okay, betul. Buah mangga itu adalah terlalu berat. So the answer is true. Number 6, a hungry and very dangerous eagle sitting in the mango tree saw Tiny. Ada seekor burung helang, okay, yang lapar dan sangat berbahaya sedang duduk di pokok mangga dan ternampak Tiny. Okay, so let's see. A hungry and very dangerous snake sitting in the mango tree. So ular, bukan burung helang. So the answer is false, salah. Number 7, Tiny didn't know that the snake wanted to eat him. Okay, so Tiny tidak tahu bahawa ular tersebut hendak makan Tiny. Okay, so let's look at the text. Tiny knew that the snake wanted to eat him. Sebenarnya Tiny tahu bahawa ular itu hendak makan Tiny. So jawapannya ialah salah, false. Number 8, Leo the tiger heard the snake talking to the mouse. Leo sang singa telah mendengar ular itu bercakap dengan tikus. Okay, so Leo the lion heard the snake talking to the mouse. Ya, jawapannya ialah betul, true. Number 9, Leo picked up the snake and threw it far away. Leo telah mengambil ular itu dan telah buang dia sangat jauh. So this is correct. He picked up the snake and threw it far away. So this is true, betul. Number 10, Tiny was very scared. He hid behind the mango. Tiny berasa sangat takut. Dia telah menyembunyikan diri di belakang buah mangga. So it's correct. Tiny was very scared. He hid behind the mango. Jawapannya ialah true, betul. Okay, so sekarang kamu boleh bulatkan jawapan yang betul. Okay, so number 1 is false, number 2 is true, number 3 is false, number 4 false, number 5 true, number 6 false, number 7 is false, number 8 is true, number 9 is true, and number 10 is true. Okay, let's look at your Get Smart Plus 4 workbook on page 73. Fill in the blanks, isi tempat kosong. Okay, sebelum itu kita tengok dulu perkataan-perkataan dia. Okay, pilihan perkataan ialah heavy. Heavy bermaksud berat. Dangerous bermaksud bahaya. Big ialah besar. Intelligent ialah bijak. Hungry ialah lapar. Scared ialah takut. Big ialah besar. Smaller ialah lebih kecil. So number 1, Tiny was what? Than his other mouse friends. Okay, so daripada teks, okay, gambar pertama kita tahu bahawa Tiny was smaller than his other mouse friends. Tiny adalah lebih kecil berbanding dengan kawan-kawan tikus dia yang lain. Number 2, Tiny was more than his other mouse friends. Tiny adalah lebih apa berbanding dengan kawan-kawan dia. So jawapannya ialah Tiny was more intelligent. Tiny adalah lebih bijak, lebih pandai daripada kawan-kawan dia yang lain. Number 3, the mango was very and Tiny couldn't carry it. Buah mangga itu adalah terlalu apa dan Tiny tidak boleh mengangkat dia. So the mango was very heavy. Heavy ialah berat. Number 4, the snake was, okay, so ular itu adalah sangat apa? Hungry, lapar dan berbahaya, dangerous ya. Number 5, Tiny was what when he saw the snake? Tiny berasa apa apabila dia ternampak ular itu? Tiny was scared. Tiny berasa sangat takut when he saw the snake. Number 6, Leo the lion had what claws and a mouth? Leo sang singa ada apa dan apa mulut dia? Okay, so he had a big claws and a big mouth. He had big claws and a big mouth. Alright? Next, number 2. Read and complete with the correct names. Okay, baca dan isikan tempat kosong ya. Alright, number 1 was hungry and dangerous. So, siapa yang berasa lapar dan sangat berbahaya? So, this is the snake, ular ya. Number 2, picked up the snake and threw it away. Telah mengangkat ular dan telah membuang. So, this is Leo, sang singa. Number 3, was in the forest looking for food. Berada di dalam hutan untuk sedang mencari makanan. Okay, so this is Tiny. Number 4, wanted to eat the mouse. Siapa yang hendak makan tikus itu? So this is the snake, ular ya. Number 5 was scared. Siapa yang berasa takut? This is Tiny. Okay, use the prompts and retell the story. Gunakan perkataan-perkataan dan cuba untuk bercerita. Okay, number 1, mouse forest one day look for and food. So, dengan menggunakan perkataan-perkataan ni, okay, apabila kita retell, okay, kita bercerita semula, kita perlu menggunakan verb dalam past tense sebab kejadian ini telah berlaku. So, kita tukarkan verb kata-kata kerja dia kepada past tense. So, mouse forest one day look for food. So the answer is, a mouse was in the forest one day looking for food. Number 2, see mango. So it saw a mango. Dia ternampak satu buah mangga. Try carry mango but be heavy. So change try carry. Okay, try is the main verb. So tukarkan try kepada past tense dan be verb itu kita gunakan be verb yang betul. So the mouse tried to carry the mango but it was. Okay, so kita guna is dan kita tukarkan is kepada was. It was too heavy. Alright, snake, see and mouse. Tukarkan see kepada past tense iaitu saw. The snake saw the mouse. The snake want to eat mouse. So the snake wanted to eat the mouse. Lion hear snake. So the verb is hear. Tukarkan hear kepada heard. Okay, the lion heard the snake. Okay, next, lion pick up snake and throw it away. So tukarkan pick kepada picked dan throw kepada threw untuk past tense ya. So the lion picked up the snake and threw it away. Mouse be scared. So be ni kita boleh gunakan sama ada is, are or am. So mouse ialah satu, so kita guna is. Tapi past tense, so kita tukar is kepada was. So the mouse was scared. Lion pick up mango and mouse and open mouth. Okay, so the lion picked up the mango and the mouse and opened its mouth. So tukarkan pick kepada picked and open kepada open. Okay, so apabila kita bercerita semula kejadian yang telah berlaku, kita tukarkan semua verb kata kerja kepada past tense. That's all for today. Thank you.